Hello everyone, welcome to the Cantonese vocabulary series. In this video, I am going to go over the vocabulary regarding to ocean life. Ocean in Cantonese is 海洋. 海洋. Fish in Cantonese is 魚. 魚. Seashells in Cantonese is 貝殼. 貝殼. Reefs in Cantonese is 珊瑚. 珊瑚. Sand in Cantonese is 沙. 沙. Rocks in Cantonese is 石. 石. Salmon in Cantonese is 三文魚. 三文魚. Tuna in Cantonese is 吞拿魚. 吞拿魚. Sharks in Cantonese is 鯊魚. 鯊魚. Sardines in Cantonese is 沙丁魚. 沙丁魚. Eel in Cantonese is 鰻魚. 鰻魚. Clownfish in Cantonese is 小丑魚. 小丑魚. Scallops in Cantonese is 帶子. 帶子. Oyster in Cantonese is 蠔. 蠔. Mussels in Cantonese is 青口. 青口. Clams in Cantonese is 蜆. 蜆. Shrimp in Cantonese is 蝦. 蝦. Lobster in Cantonese is 龍蝦. 龍蝦. This just means that it's a dragon shrimp. And crab in Cantonese is 蟹. 蟹. Abalone in Cantonese is 鮑魚. 鮑魚. Octopus in Cantonese is 八爪魚. 八爪魚. sea cucumber in Cantonese is海參. Hải參. Cuttlefish in Cantonese is mắc魚. Mắc魚. Squid in Cantonese is yao yu. Yao yu. Sea urchin in Cantonese is hải đảm. Hải đảm. And starfish in Cantonese is hải sinh. Hải sinh. And thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn Cantonese in a systematic way, I would actually recommend you to take a look at my website or download one of our mobile apps, both in iPhone and in Android. I have attached a link in the video description. And if you wanted to support us, please subscribe to our channel so that you could get our latest videos on learning Cantonese. Tweet about us or even share it with your friends who got similar interests as you in learning this language. Thank you. Bye-bye.